Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share Wipro Turbo online test experience shared by Shubham. He is a mechanical student and he is 2021 batch. He is from 2021 batch. Now he has shared his experience and I am going to share it with you guys. Before sharing, let me introduce myself to those who are new to my channel. Hi guys, my name is Amita Singh and I am a full stack developer working in Verizon. I have also worked in CTS. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. On this channel, you will find so many informative videos related to companies' recruitment process, the guideline, how you can prepare for an interview. Also, if you haven't joined my Telegram group, I will highly recommend you to join me there. On that Telegram group, you'll find so many informative materials, companies, previous year question paper and all that stuff. So if you haven't joined, just DM me on Instagram or you can mail me. I'll provide you the link of my Telegram group and you can join me there because that's a private Telegram group. So let's proceed with his experience of Wipro Turbo online test. Let's get started. Now, there were 128-minute test and it was based on AMCAT. So the platform will be AMCAT and the total timing is 128 minutes. 60 minutes of coding question, 20 minutes of essay and 48 minutes for apti, logical and verbal. Now, what was his experience in all those sections? Apti was quite easy. That what his experience. Logical was also easy. Verbal was quite good. Means the level of verbal was, it was good. Now, the coding questions, there were two questions, one easy, one medium, and you will be assigned with 60 minutes. The time will be 60 minutes and you can switch between the questions. Now the last section was essay writing, in which in the 20 minutes you have to write at least 400 of words based on some situation, some topic assigned to you, you need to write that. Now this is the overall experience of his online test. Now for his technical interview experience, I'll post another video in that and he has shared his technical experience of Wipro Turbo. So for that you need to subscribe my channel and please press thumbs up if this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.